Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the camera down, remove battery, and set the body on a stable, clean surface so nothing moves. Inspect the lens and body mounts. Locate the lens release button and the alignment dots. This tells you orientation. Once done, hold the camera firmly with one hand, and with the other press and hold the lens release button. Keep your fingers clear of the rear element while you rotate. These initial steps prevent drops and dust ingress. With the release depressed, rotate the lens, usually counterclockwise, until you feel the detent. This frees the bayonet. Support the lens near its rear to carry the weight. Do not twist the camera body, which can strain the mount and electrical contacts. Once the mount clicks free, pull the lens straight back in a smooth motion. Avoid angled pulls that can catch the flange. If it resists, stop, repress the release, and realign the marks, then try again slowly. After removal, immediately cover the lens rear with its cap and set it in a padded pouch to keep dust off the glass and contacts. Make sure to attach the camera body cap too, because the sensor is exposed and sensitive. That protects it while you swap gear. If the lens won't release, don't force it. Recheck for mechanical locks, battery issues, or misalignment. Forcing can damage mounts. If unresolved, stop and seek professional service to avoid irreversible harm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.